What's up guys, viperfpv here, and today we got our October 2019 drone drop that just came in. And what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing, see what we got for this month. Now, if you already know, I cover drone drop unboxings, quad box unboxings, as well as FPV crate unboxings. And I also do tutorials on Betaflight, also certain products I will reveal on the channel as well. So I cover everything FPV related. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you've already done so, and give this video a like if you found this video helpful. And also, leave a comment down below of what you thought of this month's drone drop. So let's go ahead and go get with the unboxing. Okay. It's weird that it didn't have any tape on it. Usually it's taped up and you have to like do it, but alright, so looks like for some stickers, we got not too long ago in a galaxy real close. Looks like some Star Wars inspired drone drop stickers. I do love Star Wars, so this I will be definitely using these stickers. Now it looks like we got 3 sets of, these are different. What are these? Popo Strong Fast Props. Oh, these are Zur props. Okay. Cool. I like Zur props. I don't think I've ever tried these ones. These are 5148 props. I believe they're all the same size. Yep. 5148. Yep. All 3 of them. Cool. Looks like we also got ourselves a wire cutter, wire stripper. I don't really like these ones because they're so big and bulky, but this does help some people out. Let's see. We got ourselves a prop tool. Cool. It's actually one of those quick ones that actually takes off. You can either way, and it's supposed to be able to be faster than just using, you know, a regular, kind of like a ratcheting wrench for your props and whatnot. Cool. And then we also got ourselves a battery strap, quadquestions.com. And then looks like for the boost this month, we got ourselves a, what is this? Turbo Micro F2 Caddx camera. I'll take a look at that real quick and see what it looks like. This is a micro. I'm assuming it's a micro camera. Yeah, it's a micro. So that's what we got there. It was kind of like the one we got from another box this month. I'm not sure if it's the same model or not. But yeah, so that should do it for the drone drop for October 2019. If you found this video helpful and whatnot, let's go ahead and give it a like. And like I said before, let me know what you thought of this month's box for drone drop. Leave a comment down below. And also, I'll leave some stuff down below as well, just showing, you know, from FPV crates unboxing this month, and also the quad box unboxing this month. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.